everyone. In this video, I will show you how to start a digital product business. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to know the steps on what to choose or what profitable niche you want to start. Also, the tools and the digital product that you wanted to sell, and also the platform where you can sell your digital product. So basically, for this tutorial, I will show you these steps right here, and then first thing to do is you have to choose a profitable niche. So for this tutorial, we will be focusing on money and side hustles as it is high demand niche. So you have also other choices right here. Everything is up to you. So for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on money or side hustles. So you can also ask yourself what the people struggle with, of course, about money, how to earn money, and then for the right digital product, we will be using or we will create an ebook for that. So you have your options right here for Canva, AI prompts, journals, but for this tutorial, we'll be focusing on ebook or PDF guides, which is, of course, our niche is money or side hustles. But actually, everything is up to you. I just want to focus on money, side hustles for ebook for our digital product. Okay, so also, in order for you to create your product, you have to know which tools you're going to use for this tutorial. We will be focusing on Canva. Okay, so if you want to create ebooks or templates, use Canva. For writing content, you can use Google Docs. So for our ebooks, we'll be using Canva. It's okay if you're using Canva for free version. If you're using the free version, it's okay. So since we have already this first, second, and third step, what I'm going to do right now is we're going to create an account on Canva. Or first, you can go to ChatGPT to create a money side hustles idea. If you have your own, it's okay. But if you don't have, then you can ask ChatGPT for this. Example, can you give me 10 tips and a guide on how to earn money? And that is for ebook. Okay, so ChatGPT will generate this idea, also a topic for your ebook, how to earn money, 10 tips. And as you can see, for me, it's just a very short. So I want to ask ChatGPT to elaborate each of these steps right here. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, please elaborate each. So ChatGPT will generate again. I have here the title and also the tips. And as you can see, it's now a longer version. So you just have to wait as ChatGPT is generating this ideas, money side hassles for your ebook. So once you have this, then what you're going to do next is you have to create an account on Canva. If you have or if you don't have Canva yet, you just have to simply create a Canva account using your email or your Google account. It's very easy to create one. So just go to Canva, sign up. And once you are here on Canva, then what you're going to do is you have to go to create a design. So for Canva, I think the correct format for that is A4, or you can just basically search for ebook. Then the format or the layout will just show here. So as you can see, we have options for our layout. For this tutorial for ebook, we will be using the document A4 portrait. So click this one, it will take you directly to the A4 format for our ebook. And here on Canva, if you go to templates, there are tons of designs here. So for example, if you use or if you look for money, then there will be templates for money, designs for money for your ebook. But for this tutorial, we will be starting from scratch. So we will not be using the designs from Canva. We will be creating our own design. You can also use this template. You can sell this template if you want. So all you have to do is look for the background color for your ebook cover. So you can tap on the color icon and then you can choose from solid colors or gradient colors here. You can select from any of this and then make sure that the color or the background color will also match to your pictures, to your graphics, to your images, and also to your text. Once you have your background color, then it's time to look for the correct or right font. So I'm going to copy first the title of my ebook. Okay, copy, go back to Canva, tap on the text icon or add a text box or add a heading, everything is up to you, and then paste the title. Now here, if you want to change the font color, the font size, you can tap on the fonts right here. There are tons of fonts in Canva to choose from. All you have to do is to select, for example, Anton, format or font. You can decrease the size. You can change the font color. You just have to click or drag or highlight and then go to the color font and choose the color that you want. So you can also add effects. For example, I want to add effects or choose the glow effect here and then increase intensity. And then after that, I can change the color for how to earn money. Like I want to change this to color yellow, but actually everything is up to you. I know that you can do better than this. This is just to show you that you can change the color of your font. Okay, so you can resize and then you can place it anywhere here. So I'm going to put it or place here on the top. I'm going to change the color of how to earn money to yellow, and this is what it looks like. Now it's time for our graphics or elements. Tap on elements right here. Okay, so let me change the background first, background color. I think it's not that really fit or matches to my font color. So I'm going to change, you can change it anytime you want. So once you have selected the correct background color for your ebook cover photo, you can now look for elements and then search for graphics or photos. For example, I'm going to look for think or a man thinking, a woman thinking. You can look for photos, but for this tutorial, I'm going to use graphics. So I'm going to choose from any of the graphic right here. So let me pick this one. Just double tap or drag, and then aside from that, you can also add more elements. So you can add more elements like bulb thinking, money, or let's just say tips, or whatever element or object you want to add here. All you have to do is search that keyword or word here on the element section. And then once you found it, just drag or just put it anywhere here on the page. Once done, you can copy paste the text box and then add the introduction here. Go back to your ChatGPT, copy the introduction, and then paste it here in Canva. Okay, so you can change the font size, font color. Okay, you can just basically change also the format. Everything is up to you. Add effects. Now you can add page to start with your chapter 1 and just do the same thing. Go to text box, add the chapter title, and then for elements, you can look for specific objects that you can add. Just search it and then just place it anywhere inside here. That is for chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 for your money side hustle idea. So this is your digital product. Once you're satisfied or contented, just copy the link. Make sure that you have your password and then paste it. You can sell this once they want to have access to your digital product, then they need to pay first before you give the password. Or you can also upload this to PDF and then sell this to Gumroad, Payhip, Etsy, or promote this to TikTok, YouTube, and anywhere. So basically, this is how easy it is to start a digital product business. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.